Simple and cheap way to build out your van. Here we go. These cabinets come 3 high, and as you can see, I made them 4 or 5 high. All right, these are the Bright Room cabinets that I have in my van, and I get these over at Target, and right now a set of 3 of these go for about $16. And sometimes in my van, I like it a little bit taller. Over here, we can see I got a lot of weird colors in there, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's basically 6 cabinets. So it's 2 of these 3 things together. So what I do is I remove, see that? Okay, this, and it's a Sterilite. This is the top lid. Now then, how do you get this apart so you can stack it and make it a 6? Basically, it's a little hard and it will pop off. I just basically stand on the bottom and pop it up like that. And then when I want to stack it, that'll stack right on top of that, and I'll show you. All right, I'm going to lift this off. I'm doing the camera one-handed. Let's see if I can do it. My foot's down there. It's a little tough. All right, maybe I'll do my... Wait a minute. People think this is easy. Hold on, it might need some percussive maintenance. I'll turn it around. All right, it came off. I had to use 2 hands to do it. Yes, I did. So, I'm going to make this 7 tall. So now I'm just going to lift this, put that on top of that. Make sure the things are level. There we go. Make sure the things are level. Can you see what I'm doing right there? Make sure that, no, well, now you really can't see what I'm doing. All right, so it's stuck right there. And then just push it down. It's going to snap in. It's going to snap in. There we go. Now, don't forget, when you're doing this with your van, you want to secure the cabinets to the wall. You don't want them wobbling around. But so far, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to add 1 more on top, making it 7. All right, so what I did was I repeated the procedure. I unsegmented them, and since this one right here doesn't have a top, I'm going to go ahead and put this one and use it as a top. There we go. Make sure everything's lined up before I slam it in there. Before I slam it in. This is hard to do one-handed, guys. Just give it a little percussive maintenance. There you go. And that is 7 high. And then load in the drawers, and next I'll show you how to put in the wheels, and I'll do it to the other 2. Now then, if you want this in your craft room, you're going to want to put in the wheels. You don't want to put in the wheels in your van because it'll roll around. Each set of 3 comes with a set of wheels, so I always have plenty of extra wheels. We're going to go ahead and put on the wheels. We're going to have to flip it over to the bottom. All right, right here you can see the little wheel hole, and all you got to do is push that in real good. Push it into the wheel hole. Use all the strength that God gave you. Repeat 3 more times. All right, all 4 wheels are in, and all I have to do is turn it right side up. And there we go. We turned, it was basically that tall, little 3 things. We bought an extra 1 or 2, and we made it into 7 drawers for our costumes. Yay!